So 3 tips to help you with your Python code in 60 seconds. Let's get it started again. Okay, so tip number 1, be familiar with the cProfile library because it's a very useful built-in standard library that allows you to better find the bottlenecks in your code, that is areas in the code that are using a lot of resources such as memory, to better debug performance issues in your code. This can be particularly useful for complicated functions or programs where you don't know where the performance issues lie. So going ahead and running this, you can see it gives me a lot of useful stats that you can use in your programs to better find the issue. Tip number 2, be familiar with Python's built-in debugging library, PDB, that allows you to powerfully dynamically debug programs and any Python shell. As you can see here, it allows me to go in and step through the code. This has many benefits over traditional IDE debugging, and I suggest you get used to using it. Last tip of the video is you want to be familiar with using generators over lists. They can have many performance benefits over traditional lists, and this can be particularly useful in programming interviews or in practice where you want to improve performance. Running the code here, you can see that the generator is much more performant than the list comprehension in this scenario.